Hello ant keeper. The red imported fire ant, Solenopsis invicta, also known as the fire ant or reefer, is a species of ant native to South America, a member of the genus Solenopsis in the subfamily Mimicinae. It was described by Swiss entomologist Felix Sanchi as a variant in 1916. Its current name invicta was given to the ant in 1972 as a separate species. However, the variant and species were the same ant, and the name was preserved due to its wide use, though South American in origin. The red imported fire ant has been accidentally introduced in Australia, New Zealand, several Asian and Caribbean countries, and the United States. The red imported fire ant is polymorphic as workers appear in different shapes and sizes. The ant's colors are red and somewhat yellowish with a brown or black gaster. However, males are completely black. Red imported fire ants are dominant in altered areas and live in a wide variety of habitats. They can be found in rainforests, in disturbed areas, deserts, grasslands, alongside roads and buildings, and in electrical equipment. Colonies form large mounds constructed from dirt with no visible entrances because foraging tunnels are built and workers emerge far away from the nest. These ants exhibit a wide variety of behaviors, such as building rafts when they sense that water levels are rising. They also show necrophoric behavior, where nestmates discard scraps or dead ants on refuse piles outside the nest. Foraging takes place on warm or hot days, although they may remain outside at night. Workers communicate by a series of semiochemicals and pheromones which are used for recruitment, foraging, and defense. They are omnivores and eat dead mammals, arthropods, insects, seeds, and sweet substances such as honeydew from hemipteran insects with whom they have developed relationships. Predators include arachnids, birds and many insects including other ants, dragonflies, earwigs, and beetles. The ant is a host to parasites and to a number of pathogens, nematodes, and viruses which have been viewed as potential biological control agents. Nuptial flight occurs during the warm seasons, and the alates may mate for as long as 30 minutes. Colony founding can be done via a single queen or a group of queens, who will later contest for dominance once the first workers emerge. Workers can live for several months while queens can live for years. Colony numbers can vary from 100,000 to 250,000 individuals. Two forms of society in the red imported fire ant exist: polygynous colonies, nests with multiple queens, and monogynous colonies, nests with one queen. Venom plays an important role in the ant's life as it is used to capture prey or for defense. About 95% of the venom's components are water-insoluble piperidine alkaloids, and it is particularly potent on sensitive humans. More than 14 million people are stung by them in the United States annually, where many are expected to develop allergies to the venom. Most victims experience intense burning and swelling, followed by the formation of sterile pustules, which may remain for several days. However, 0.6% to 6.0% of people may suffer from anaphylaxis, which can be fatal if left untreated. Common symptoms include dizziness, chest pain, nausea, severe sweating, low blood pressure, loss of breath, and slurred speech. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and love forever.